It's like it kind of cools down the computer.
Close. So what is this, when you are in the movie theaters or next to your TVs and you see these on either side? This is the sound system. But what about these components?
This is the keyboard. This helps the keyboard.
That helps the keyboard?
This helps the keyboard work with this.
Okay. What else do you guys see over here, Madison? What else do you think this is? Now this comes off.
This is to connect. This is for like the turn on stuff.
That controls the monitor. Now what?
This goes.
That goes in there. What else do you see back here? On this green thing.
You see, this part though. This is the part right there.
The battery, close. What does that insert look like? HDMI. That's where the HDMI goes. So the HDMI connects to the screen to the what? How does this come on? What does this have to be connected to?
It has to be connected to
Wi-Fi. That's true. What else?
Oh, this has to be connected to.
What's that?
The motherboard.
The processing unit. So all these little intricate pieces fit together to make this puppet run. You guys want to build it?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start with the computer pieces. And so let's start with this one. So I'm not teaching you guys. I facilitate. So you guys go through the book, and what do you guys think you should do first together as a team?
So this is this is the sound. Then we need the yellow one. And then that means connect that. You connect this.
Let me give you guys a hint. Start here with the pieces.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh no.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna get power
Pieces. Memory card. This is memory card. This is already in here, so let's just slide this piece in here.
How's it going?
Good. So this means that these have to go here. So, go to the next page. Where's the keyboard? This is the motherboard. The mother alien.
Okay, I'll be back.
Okay.
See you, son.
Or that.
All right, we'll talk more.
All right, sounds
He's
good.
like,
He's like, yeah, bye. How we doing?
Yeah.
Oh, keep going. Don't let me interrupt. Go for it.
So the keyboard is, what is this? Oh, so this, see, it says this goes out that, and this goes out. It's kind of like it, army pieces. Cool. It's in it.
So now that you guys have found the pieces, have you started going through all the instructions? Because now it's going to walk you through how to build it.
Let's give this.
So that's the brain, right?
Let's give it a brand new pop. Grab the memory card and slide it out. Micro card.
So where's the memory card? All right. Here's the micro card. So now where does that micro card go? Let's turn the page.
Micro card goes inside here.
Is it that way? So do you see all these pieces? So you don't see these pieces on this side, right?
Okay.
So what side should it be on, Madison? So look at the two different pictures. So on this side you see the metal pieces, you see the black boxes, you see all that. So flip it over, show Madison as well.
So it's on the bottom right here.
Does that make sense? Now, but look at the picture. And look. There you go.
Brains. exactly like that. Okay. So, or over here, or it says power circuit board. Actually, I think that you put this power thing goes right in here, and then the sound system just. Yeah. You have to connect this like this. See? Connect these things just like that.
Why do you think it wants you to connect it?
Because these certain things mean different things.
Mm-hmm. And so in order for the brain to tell the sound to play, you have to connect the two. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay. So look at where the black and the red wires are and where those connectors are. And then you have to match up and make sure they're in the right spot.
Okay. So let me see. So now this is like this. These two right here on the second ones. Oh, okay. Right here. Okay, this is one of the arms, so it's right there. Yes. No. Yeah, this one? Yeah, this. Yeah, no. We have to decide what. Yeah. It's so hard to put in. You see? Can you put this one? I'll push it in. I wonder how computer scientists do this. You must have really small hands. It's easier. Okay, then leave the blue. Boom. Okay. And then thank you. This and then leave this out and then put it in this one. No. Yeah. Ears. I'm just gonna. Okay. I have a bad habit just